Attention is free advertising. So you need to get good at getting some attention, somehow. I get attention, because I'm the Don. But you need to find a way to get attention. Because all advertising is buying attention, which is fine. But buying attention is more expensive than getting attention for free. And when I say for free, I mean free financially. Getting attention is still going to take time with your money. But you need to find a way to get attention. I think you already understand this. You already understand viral marketing, no such thing as bad press, blah, blah, blah. But finding a way to get attention is a fantastic way to start generating money. Now, what most people do is, you see a lot of people, they find ways to get attention, but they don't monetize it. Get attention, and then do not be afraid to shamelessly sell. But you have to find a way to get some attention first. Now, that's not easy in the modern world because everybody's vying for each other's attention, especially on the internet. Everyone is competing for attention. Attention is key. So finding a way to do it is important. Anything it takes to get attention. Do you have a sign on your company? Is the sign big and bright and bold enough? Probably not. There's no such thing as bad attention. In the world we live in now, we live in an attention economy. If you have lots of attention, you can turn that into money. If you have no attention, you're not going to have any money. We're in an attention economy. You don't even need good ideas now. YouTube has proved attention economy. You have morons out there doing nothing on vlogs, talking shit and being complete losers, but because people watch it, because they get attention, they're millionaires. Attention is the currency of the modern world. So don't be afraid to do things that are a little bit crazy to get people to pay attention to you. Now, obviously, I'm not saying join ISIS or something stupid to get attention. Keep it in mind. But attention is the currency. Attention is the magic formula, that the catalyst that's going to take any company and blow it up fast. So keep that in mind when you're looking to launch your company or you're already running your company. Does my company get enough attention? No. Okay, so which company in my industry does get attention? This one. How do they get it? Oh, well, they pay for advertising, or for example, or they did this viral campaign, or they sponsored this. How are the people taking the attention that you want? How can you get the attention? Find a way. It's like advertising stuff, but it's all the business of getting attention. Don't forget that. It's super, super important. So even if you're running a business which is very traditional, let's say you're running clothing, people like to feel good looking and attractive. You have to twist that angle. You have to put something on the angle so that people go, you know what, I want to be attractive. I want to be good looking. I want to look at this. I want to be seen as important. That's what all these brands do. When Porsche and Mercedes, they advertise as a businessman. Mr. Businessman, getting in his car, has his briefcase, Mr. Business. He's important. You're not important. You're not a Porsche. You're a nobody. You're a loser. You have to play to people's insecurities. The cam business was the number one for this. Play to people's insecurities and promise with your product that everything's going to be better. Talking is something you need to get good at. If you're good at talking, you have the gift of the gab, as they say, you can sell anything. No matter what you're selling, the better you get at talking, the better you're going to sell it. So if there's one skill you need to practice for your sales, it's how to talk. How to talk convincingly, how to put energy into your presentation, how to not be boring. You need to have that pow. You need to get good at talking. Practice it. Practice getting good at talking. That's one of the most important skills you can learn for life. From getting women to selling products, exactly the same thing. You need to get good at talking. You need to have a nice image of yourself if you want to sell things. Buy the nice car, wear a nice suit. Find some money, make sure it's still coming in. Because buying the nice car, you say, oh, how does that equal money in? Well, it actually does, because it's your reputation. You have to have a nice image of yourself to sell nearly anything nowadays. Drive a nice car if you can. Have nice clothes, look good, look presentable, go gym, have nice things. I'm not going to tell you not have nice things. A lot of people who say that are liars. Tight losers, they're tight losers. They're living a tight person's life. Do you really want that life? Do you want to be selling $17 ebooks and sitting at home and not spending any money and saving it all? Go squirrel. Or do you want to be like me with 8 supercars? Who knows more? Let me ask you another question. If I would have launched Tate.com, I was already a millionaire when I launched it. So that's the difference between me and all the other course guys. These guys need courses to be rich. I'm rich without any of this shit. So I don't need this because I had cam girls way before this. When I launched Tate.com, the reason it was so successful was because I already had a Lambo. I was already rich. My car paid for itself. Would you be buying from me right now? Would you have bought this university if I didn't have a big house and loads of nice cars? If I said, I know loads about business, but I live in an apartment with a laptop and I sit there all day on my own, but I know loads, would you have even bought this course? I'm like, what the fuck do you know? That shows how important image is. Flexing on the broke boys is important. So don't neglect it. I'm not saying blow all your money. I'm saying that having a good image is not going to hurt you in any way. Don't be afraid to spend money for your image, because it's a real thing.